Okay, so you have already seen the 5 videos which is based on chapter number 3, clothes, and I hope you have clear each and everything. You have clear each and everything regarding this chapter. Okay, so this is time to do the exercise. So everybody take out your EVS notebook and your pencil, your eraser, your stationery items. Okay, and once again, before start study, once again I want to appreciate students, those who sending me their continuous replies, like Abhyanshi Gehlot, Om Kamble, and Prathamesh Arya, and that one more name is there. Then Om Prathamesh and Harshvardhan Raghuvanshi also, and Kavya Saraf. Yes, these some students are sending me the replies. Beta, please do not feel bad if I forget to announce your name, because you are new for me, I am new for you. So sometimes it is happening that I can forget the name. So please do not feel bad. Okay, you all are wonderful, excellent, marvelous. Okay, now it's time to write the new words of the chapter. So before starts writing new words of the chapter, hope you all have understand about the clothes. You all have understand about the clothes, and there is a one student who sent me the pic of the work that जो आपने जो कॉटन से जो थ्रेड बनाया था, दैट इज वेरी थिक. थ्रेड शुड बी वेरी वेरी थिन. जो धागा होता है वो बहुत पतला होता है, तभी सुई के छेद में से आर पार होता है. अंडरस्टैंड? सो कॉटन से बहुत पतला सा आपको थ्रेड बनाना है. प्लीज डू नॉट मेक दैट मोटा मोटा, वो भगवान को दिया बत्ती करने वाली बत्ती जैसा थ्रेड नहीं बनाना है. दैट इज रॉन्ग प्रोसेस, है ना. योर थ्रेड शुड बी वेरी वेरी थिन एज लाइक थ्रेड. पतंग का धागा कितना पतला होता है, मांझा कितना पतला होता है. ठीक है? ओके, सो ओपन योर EVS notebook and start writing along with me. So chapter number your heading is yes, chapter number 3. What is the name of the chapter? Clothes. What is the name of the chapter? Clothes. And this is class 2nd. So your heading is new words. Your heading is new words. Okay बेटा, this video I am making with the help of my mobile. ये वीडियो मैं अपने मोबाइल से बना रही हूँ. ठीक है? So sometimes it is happening that some part of the picture can be cut. कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि कुछ भाग जो रहता है वो कट हो जाता है. So I am trying my level best to adjust the camera of my mobile so you can get the proper words. Okay, your heading is new words. Your heading is new words, and let's start writing. Let's start writing. Number 1, uniform. Number 1 is uniform. Number 2, an astronaut. Okay. Number 3, an apron. These all words are given is in your book, and you heard all these words first time. Okay, now these are the words. Now the raw material. into clothes. Number 10. Cocoon. Number 11. Silkworm. Number 12. Mulberry. Okay. Write down this much words. Number 1, uniform. Number 2, an astronaut. Number 3, an apron. Number 4, raw material. Number 5, cotton plants. After 5, 6 should be there. है ना? After 5, 6 should be there. So here number 6 is rayon. Okay. Then number 7, fleece. Number 8, yarn. Number 9, spun and woven into clothes. Number 10, cocoon. Number 11, silkworm. And number 12, mulberry. Okay. These all are the new words of the chapter. Note down fast. You can take the screenshot because this is video. Hope you have noted down. This wala portion I am going to write. So I can write some more new words over here. This wala portion I am going to rub it up. Okay, now number 13, fur. Number 14, leather. Number 15, diversity in clothes. Diversity in clothes. Okay. Then nylon. Sixteen new words are over here. Note down in your EVS notebook. There are 16 new words. Okay. Hope you have taken out the screenshot. You can write later on. Now it's time to do the another exercise. Yes. So let's start the exercise. Take out page number 2020. Page number 2020. Take the correct option. Okay. What is the adding? Your adding is take the correct option. Let's see what is number one. Number one is which one comes from plants? Which one comes from plant? Which one comes from plants? There are three options: cotton, wool and silk. So cotton. Right answer is cotton. Cotton comes from cotton plant. Option A. Let's see number two. Wool comes mainly from wool कहाँ से मिलता है? So again there are three options: sheep, horse and cow. So the right answer is sheep. है ना? Wool always comes from the hair, from the fleece of the hair which grows on sheep's body. Number three. Number three, silkworm. Question you can note down from the book also. आपको कॉपी में लिखना है ये सब. Silkworm feed on the leaves. Question आप बेटा बुक में से भी लिख सकते हो. Leaves of, मैंने बताया था ना, silkworm always feed itself on mulberry leaf. ठीक है? So the right answer is option C, mulberry. Mulberry leaf. This is the right answer. है ना? क्वेश्चन आप बुक में से देख सकते हो. नोट डाउन आंसर ओनली कॉटन, शीप एंड मलबेरी. पहले आप अपनी बुक में टिक लगा लो, उसके बाद आप बुक से कॉपी में कर सकते हो ताकि आपको ज्यादा समय स्क्रीन पे ना गुजारना पड़े. ठीक है? नंबर वन का है कॉटन, नंबर टू का है शीप, नंबर थ्री का है मलबेरी. ओके, सो लेट्स राइट नंबर फोर. Very easy. If you have seen all those videos, then you can realize all these MCQs are very easy to you. Last but not least, number four, we should not wear clothes made from. We should not wear clothes made from options are for cotton and wool. So the right answer is option A, fur. I told you that the fur is the part of the animal's skin, dead animal's skin. If we all are using these kinds of clothes, so definitely the more animals will kill by us, because we human beings are very selfish. We can do anything for earning money ना. So अगर हम फर के क्लोथ्स कंटिन्यूसली यूज करेंगे तो जो फर के क्लोथ्स बनाने वाले व्यापारी हैं वो एनिमल्स को और मार कर उनके क्लोथ्स बेचना स्टार्ट करेंगे. So we should not use clothes which is made by the fur and the leather. Okay? Number A is the right answer. इसी तरह से पूछा जाता है। सर्कल द करेक्ट वर्ड। Number one, we get cotton from. Number one, we get cotton from which plant? Cotton plant or jute plant? Yes, we get cotton from. What is the right answer? Cotton plants. So make a circle on this word cotton plant. Okay? We get cotton from cotton plant. Number two, cocoon are made. क्वेश्चन आप बुक में से भी देख सकते हो, बार बार मैं बोल रही हूँ क्योंकि हम लोग वीडियो मोबाइल से बनाते हैं। मोबाइल की स्क्रीन इतनी बड़ी नहीं होती है कि कई बार ज्यादा कवर कर पाए और टीचर लिखते लिखते भूल जाता है, इसलिए यू कैन सी द क्वेश्चन इन द बुक ऑल्सो। Cocoons are made by what? Cockroach or silkworm? Yes, cockroach तो वही dirty insect, silkworm. The right answer is silkworm. Cocoon जो है वो silkworm से बनता है। Make a circle on this word silkworm. Number three, pupil do special jobs where what? Pupil do special job where what? Those who are doing these special jobs, they always wearing these special clothes, and that special clothes is called uniform. I am writing uniform word over here. अगर मैं वहां लिख दूंगी तो फिर हो सकता है वो कट जाए। Make the circle. Okay. Now number four. Silk clothes is very. Silk clothes is very. There are two options, weak or durable. So durable होते हैं, बहुत ज्यादा attractive होते हैं और durable होते हैं और expensive भी होते हैं. Okay? So these are the four. Only number 5 is remain. Take the screenshot फटाक से. So I can grab number 1 and hope you have taken out the screenshot. I am going to rub it. And number 5, I am going to write on the board. Number 5, rayon and nylon. Number 5, rayon and nylon are natural clothes or man-made clothes. तो rayon और nylon that is man-made clothes है ना, ये इंसान ने बनाए हैं, man-made clothes है ये, ठीक है। So make the circle. Man-made clothes. I told you that there are two types of fabric. One is natural, second is artificial or man-made. So natural में आता है cotton, silk, wool and artificial में रेयॉन, नायलॉन, पॉलिएस्टर, एक्रेलिक, ये सारे इंसान के बनाए थ्रेड्स हैं. ओके, होप यू हैव डन. नाउ इट्स टाइम टू डू दी fill in the blanks. क्वेश्चन आंसर मैं आपको व्हाट्सएप पे टाइप करके भेज दूंगी. ठीक है, क्वेश्चन आंसर लिखने में हो सकता है कि that will be, that can be not come properly with this small screen. Fill in the blanks. Exercise number C. Fill in the blank. So यहाँ पर मैं सिर्फ आंसर लिख रही हूँ. क्वेश्चन आप इसमें से लिख लेना, बुक में से. एंड फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स, सर्कल द करेक्ट वन, MCQs, ये सब आपको कॉपी में लिखने हैं. चिल्ड्रन वेयर डैश इन द स्कूल. नंबर 1, चिल्ड्रन वेयर डैश इन द स्कूल. सो क्या पहनते हैं बच्चे? यूनिफॉर्म. यू एंड मी both are wearing uniforms in the school. Fleece is the dash. Number 2, hair. Fleece is the hair of on a sheep's body. Silk threads are separated from cocoon. जो सिल्क थ्रेड होते हैं वो cocoon से सेपरेट किए जाते हैं. Number 4, clothes made from nylon are not good for the skin. Number 5, fur and leather comes from animals. These are the answers of the fill in the blanks. और क्वेश्चन आंसर वो मैं आपको व्हाट्सएप पे टाइप करके भेज दूंगी. ठीक है, या देखूंगी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, अगर करवा पाऊँ तो आई कैन कंटिन्यू, अदरवाइज मैं आपको उस पर तो भेज ही दूंगी. नहीं कंटिन्यू कर लेंगे. 3 ही क्वेश्चन आंसर्स हैं. ओनली देयर आर 3 क्वेश्चन एंड द आंसर्स इन द बुक. सो इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो वी कैन कंप्लीट ऑल दीज क्वेश्चन एंड द आंसर्स. ओके, सो till then bye bye and write with the good handwriting. All these things is in your notebook, is in your copy. AVS की सारी कॉपी में